These curls are juicy, okay? Nasty, slick, sexy, wet.
'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the, I don't know where I put it. Eayon hair. I actually really love the name of this company. Eayon is such a beautiful name. They so graciously sent us over a 5x5 with tight curly hair wig. Okay, so this is a lace wig, 5x5 lace wig in 18 inches. This is going to be a really easy one, guys. I don't expect this to take us long. Okay, she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps for kind of forever, as well as the band already in there. Thank you for that. I get tired of people just sending it to us like we're going to sew it in. Anybody got time for that? So this is the lace. Okay, you see that? Just that 5x5, guys. Just enough to part her up, and we're just gonna throw her on our head and see what she's working with. All right, my loves, let's get on into this Eayon hair 5x5 lace closure wig. She's currently going for just under $250 for the 180% density, and for the 150 she's $235. I believe I have 180. This unit is absolutely beautiful. My cap size is a medium and the lace color is a medium brown, which made it a whole lot easier for us to get her together. So I'm just going on through and darkening up this lace. This unit was really fantastic. I would absolutely positively recommend this to you guys. Check out Eayon here and let me know what you think. Okay, we're 4 minutes into the video and the wig is done. I'm just gonna, I want to give you guys what she's looking like dry, so you guys get an idea. I didn't even have to glue her down. That's how good this adjustable band is. It's like super tight, okay? And she is laid down, honey. Like laid down. I don't even need to like spray her, like at all. I'm like really happy with this. I actually really do love the way this hair feels. She's shedding a bit, but I'm not, just a bit. But I'm not upset about that because it's such curly hair. But she's really, it feels like nice, kinky, 3B, 3C hair. Okay, and I really do love that. I'm going to wet her up just for the sake of doing it so we can see what she's looking like. Okay, this is just a little bit of water. And, well, a lot of water and a little bit of conditioner. I like to add the conditioner because it makes the hair smell good too, guys. I'm just pulling it on down. And this will soften up the curls too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it made a difference. Let me go fill this up. I'll be right back. That shrinkage is so real. Look, this isn't wet, but this is wet. And I'm just running my fingers through her. I'm not going to comb her out because I just feel like that'll just make the curls super big. Or the hair super big. And that's not the look I'm going for right now. But I'm just pulling her on down. And if you're a natural girl, this is how I get my curls to be pulled out even more anyway. Just wet her and pull her down as I go. No, oh, that's my clicker. Okay. I'm just going on through. The hair feels so much softer, guys. Like it feels really beautiful. I'm not getting much of any shedding, just a little bit. Okay, just a little. But that's not too bad at all. Look at this. Good night. The hair feels, it's even more bouncy. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let me get in the back. I can't believe how easy this wig is. Like, I just can't believe it, guys. She is really ready to go. I'm just going to go on through and do the other half. So, obviously, she matches. Okay, so now that we have this side all pulled out, really pretty. Really pretty. Like, look how beautiful those curls are. And they're light. Let's get into this side. It's so funny how different it feels. Like, it's so wonderful. Now we're going to just wet her up. With our water and conditioner. pull her out.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
Let's get into this unit. She's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. Eayon hair in the back. This is insane. These curls are juicy, okay? Nasty, slick, sexy, wet. All right? They feel so stank good, okay? Like, I mean, I love the texture of the hair when I put it on because it felt like well, it is human hair, but it felt so good. Like, it felt like this is black girl hair. You know what I mean? And now, y'all can't tell me nothing. Not only is this black girl hair, this is my hair. What I love about this unit is that you only needed a 5x5. You absolutely did not need ear-to-ear lace for her. She is so snug and secure. It's not even the funny, okay? She is giving love, sex, and magic, and I cannot take it. I want you to feel these curls. So I did go in and use my Effigy Style and Wrap Mousse, and I did that because I noticed that when I just wet her up, she was starting to get shrink. She was starting to shrink. She was starting to shrink. So in order to keep that length, that 18 inches of curl, right, you want to make sure that you use your Style and Wrap Mousse, and that'll let it sit just where you want it to. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I think she is nasty, okay? And y'all know we like them nasty. We want it sloppy, okay, and nasty. And that's what she is providing, and I cannot take it. I cannot take it. I love this hair. This might be the best tight curly wig I've done all year. It's stunning, but it still feels nice to the touch. Like, I can't. And again, you don't need a lot. You don't need ear-to-ear lace. You can throw this on and go. And I didn't even have to do any, like, I just threw up on my head. She's a hat. She's a hat, okay? So I'm giving you guys my first look. The ice cream man is coming, so I'm gonna have to go, okay? Because I got to go see what he got, all right? And let me know what you guys think. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.